Hi, my name is Amrita Mehta. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this Batwing eyeliner. I'm going to start by taking Superstay Concealer in shade 30 Honey and using that to even out the skin tone on my eyelid. Taking a bit of Lasting Fix Banana Powder, I'm going to lightly set my eyes. So now we're jumping straight into the eyeliner. I'm going to take the Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil in Deep Onyx and begin to build my wing. You want to make sure you're looking straight ahead with your eyes open and drawing a line from the outer corner of your eye up towards your eyebrow. It's totally okay if it's not perfect yet. We're just building a base for a liquid liner. I'm going to start taking this wing and connecting it back towards my eyelid and lining the entire lash line. This may be Maybelline's longest lasting formula yet, but you do have some time to play with it before it sets. I'm going to go in with a angled brush, this is actually just a paintbrush, and just smooth out my lines and define my shape a little more. Going back in with my Tattoo Studio Gel Liner Pencil, I'm going to start to draw a line from the outer point of my wing in towards my crease. This line is what's going to make this Batwing eyeliner look work on any eye shape. So going back in with my pencil, I'm going to start to fill it in. This is the perfect pencil for this look because it is so smooth and it lasts for 36 hours, so you don't have to worry about the pencil creasing or smudging once it's set. Any mistakes I can fix with a little micellar water and a little Q-tip. Once again, I'm going to take my angled brush and just refine my shape. So I want to add a bit more intensity to this look, so I'm going to go in with the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. So it should look something like this right now. You'll notice when we look up, we have that graphic Batwing shape, but when you look straight ahead and down, it just looks like a normal wing. And this is what's really going to work well on a hooded eye. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the shape on the other eye. I'm going to give my lashes a good curl. And then I'm going to take my most favorite mascara ever, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High, and pile it on. This mascara really lengthens and volumizes your lashes. Not to mention, it's nice and dark, so it gives you that added drama. Let's get into skin. I'm going to use the Superstay Foundation in shade 320 on a fluffy brush and start to buff that in. I'm going to use the Superstay Concealer in shade 30 to bring some light back into my face and highlight. Do a little in the inner corner, outer corner for some lift, around the nose, around my mouth, and a little in the center of my forehead. Now that we've highlighted a bit, I'm going to use a shade darker in the foundation and use it as a contour around my face. I'm going to use a little bit of Lasting Fix Powder and Banana just to set my T-zone and keep it matte throughout the day. A touch of Fit Me Blush in shade 40, just to add a little more color to my cheeks. I'm going to draw some hair strokes to fill in my brows using the Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in medium brown. And a touch of the clear Brow Fast Sculpt to keep those hairs in place. No look is complete without a bit of glow, so I'm going to take my Master Chrome highlighter in Metallic Rose, buff it into my brush, check out that glow, insane. Then on my Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, pop some on my brow bone, and even a bit on my lid, inner corner. Honestly, you can put this highlighter anywhere. Last but not least, a little bit of the Ultimate lipstick in More Taupe. I honestly can't believe how creamy and non-drying this matte lipstick is. Not to mention, super pigmented. And this is the finished look. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Eyeliner can be worn on any eye shade by anybody. If you recreate this look, be sure to tag myself and Maybelline, and I will see you next time.